Have you ever seen a 100-meter long SPC flooring production line? Do you always rely on the videos or drawings for factory inspection? Don't worry, Jwell has a fully complete SPC floor production line. Come and follow me, I will introduce for you. This production line is equipped with SGZ92/188 conical twin-screw extruder. Daily output can reach 15 tons, and an annual output exceeding 2 million square meters.
The self-pendant Jinhai screw and barrel with high-temperature nitrogen treatment, matched with a 1050mm coat hanger die. The runner is polished to raw 0.02 with chrome hardness of HRC 60 to 65. It ensures uniform extrusion and avoids thickness deviation and surface defect. The foil calendar is a core of quality control. The roller surface roughness is less than and equal to raw 0.025 with hardness above HRC 50. Adopting an oil heating temperature control system, it realizes the one-step lamination of decorative film, wear-resistant layer and backfill, ensuring flat surfaces, clear textures, bubble-free, and non-delaminated lamination. Equipped with a high-speed sliding and tailoring line, spindle speed 6,000 to 7,000 RPM, it maintains a tolerance of plus or minus 0.05 mm for seamless joint. The entire line adopts a Siemens PLC control system, equipped with internationally renowned electrical components such as shredder and ABB.
Not only stable operation and 30% to 35% energy efficient, but also enables full process, parameter, visualization, and traceability. Don't hesitate! Welcome to visit our factory in Jwell.